Hello students of class 1. Today we are going to start with our second poem, that is Houses Big and Small. In this poem it is being described that houses are of different shapes and sizes. But wherever you go you'll see different houses. But the best one will always be your own sweet home. So let's start with the poem. Some houses are big and some are small. Some houses are wide and some are tall. In the last class, we have discussed what is the meaning of big. Big means huge, right? Big का मतलब होता है बड़ा, small का मतलब होता है छोटा. तो some houses are big and some are small. कुछ houses, कुछ घर बड़े हैं और कुछ घर छोटे हैं. Some houses are wide and some are tall. कुछ घर चौड़े हैं और कुछ घर लंबे हैं. So many houses wherever I roam. बहुत सारे घर हैं जहाँ भी मैं जाऊँ. Roam. Roam का मतलब होता है go here and there. But the best of all is my own sweet home. इतनी सारे घर हैं मैं जहाँ भी जाऊँ, पर सबसे अच्छा मेरा खुद का प्यारा घर है. Now we'll repeat the poem. Some houses are big and some are small. Some houses are wide and some are tall. So many houses wherever I roam, but the best of all is my own sweet home. Now let us try to solve this comprehension questions. First, tick write the kinds of houses the child sees. What are the kinds of houses the child saw? The child saw small house. Did he saw short house? No. Big? Yes. So big will be the answer. Small will be the answer. Did he see blue house? No. Did he see white house? Yes. Small, big, wide. Did he saw fat house? No. Did he saw tall house? Yes. So small, big, wide and tall will be the answer. Second question. Complete the following sentence. The child likes his own dash dash the best. What does the child like his own? The child likes his own sweet home the best. Now, vocabulary question. Write the opposites of the given words. Choose them from the balloon. What is the opposite of big? What does big mean? Bada. So, what will be the opposite of bada? Chota. What is the English word of chota? Small. So, small will be the answer. Second, tall. What does tall mean? Tall means lamba. What is the opposite of tall? Short. Short means chota. So, short will be the answer. Third, many. What does many mean? बहुत सारा. What will be the opposite of many? Few. Meaning of few is थोड़ा सा. Fourth, best. What is the opposite of best? Worst. Best means सबसे अच्छा. Worst means सबसे बुरा. Fifth, wide. What is the meaning of wide? Wide means चौड़ा. The opposite of wide is narrow. Narrow means सकरा, पतला. So we'll repeat. Big, small, tall, short, many, few, best, worst, wide, narrow. I hope this session is clear to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.